Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Samsung and their hypocrisy. Now what I mean by that is basically the latest rumor that's going around, and a lot of articles are talking about it, is that the Samsung S21 lineup will not ship with headphones or charger in the box. Now this is the same thing Apple pulled with their iPhone 12 lineup and for their previous iPhones as well. They removed the charger and they removed the headphones, of course. Now you might be wondering, well, why is this bad? Apple did it, why can't Samsung? Well, the thing is, Apple didn't call anyone out for doing this, right? Because they were the first ones to do it. Samsung, right when they found out about the fact that they removed the charger, decided to go out and tweet about it and make remarks about it and how it's dumb. And I totally agree with them. It's dumb. But you can't go around saying that this is dumb and then go around and do the exact same thing. Like, it's so stupid to me that they would actually even consider doing this when they just literally called Apple out for doing the same thing. It's just making the whole company look bad. I talked about it in a whole other video and how removing the charger would be coming. And hey, maybe it's coming a lot sooner than I expected. I was expecting maybe 2 years from now or 1 year from now that they would remove the charger. But apparently it might even happen this coming January when the S21 drops. Now, the argument against what I'm saying right now is the fact that Samsung has been using USB Type-C for the past 2 years, I believe. Regardless of whether or not they've used USB-C in the past, so you won't have to really worry about buying another charger, it's the fact that they're doing it in the first place when they just called out Apple for doing the same thing. Now, I've always thought this, Android companies just need to keep their mouth shut, especially when it comes to stuff like this. The same thing applies to when they removed the headphone jack finally. Now, it might have been 2 years later after all the competition had already slowly been able to remove it, but the fact of the matter is, they still made fun of Apple for doing this. You can't make fun of another company and then go around and do the exact same thing. This is just pure hypocrisy and it makes the whole company look bad, and Samsung has no excuse, and I don't think anyone should be trying to defend Samsung when it comes to this, because we expect more for them. We don't expect them to follow. We expect them to innovate. We expect them to be a leader when it comes to the Android marketplace. And the fact that they're just following along Apple's footsteps for the second time in a row is quite sad, honestly. I was really not expecting it to come this soon. And like I said from the very beginning, it's a rumor. It might not happen. But even if it doesn't happen now, it will happen in the future. And when it does happen, we'll all go back to this time and see when Apple did it first and Samsung made fun of them for doing it. So regardless of when it happens, people will still make fun of Samsung for making fun of Apple, because it's just pure hypocrisy. Let me know what you guys think about this whole situation in the comments down below, and what you think about it all, and if Samsung is really in the wrong for this. Anyways, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.